Hi everyone, my name is Sagrika. I'm a part of the Pixelbin team. Today, what I've got to show you is one of our very own products, which is Upscale.media. Upscale.media helps us to enhance the quality of our images. The best part about this product is it uses artificial intelligence to do so. The qualities that you will see will be very different from if you were just to increase the size of an image. What we have observed is that a lot of our designers have been using Upscale.media, and Figma is one of the places where they need it the most. So what we've given you is Upscale.media within Figma as a plugin. Now let me show you how you can do that. In order to use Upscale.media within Figma, first thing first, you'll try to go to the plugins tab. In the plugins tab, I'll look for Upscale.media. First thing, and then we'll launch it. On launching this, it will ask you for a token. So we're going to head to Pixelbin. This is the link that you can click on. Once you head to Pixelbin, you have to log in, set up an organization if you're a new user. And then once we're inside the organization, we'll try to create our own token. Or if you already have an existing token, you can reuse it. In this particular case, just for the sake of this demo, I'll create another token, right? So I'll create a Figma token. Okay. And I'm going to create this token. Once my token has been created, what I need is the API token, which is here. I'm going to copy this by clicking on this button, copy it to clipboard, and then paste back here. Once I'm going to save this, as you can see, now Upscale.media is ready to use. There are multiple settings that are there within Upscale.media. Let's have a look at those settings. One is, I can enhance this image 2 times or 4 times. There are some other settings as well. You can go through them, and then I'll select the image and apply that setting. On applying that setting, it will take a little bit of time because it's an AI-based process. There you go. You can now see a better image than what we had before.